Today's video is regarding Brother printer and the model is HL-L2390DW. I'm going to show you how to do the copy of the ID card, and for that we have an option in this printer. So here we can see on the screen it says 2-in-1 ID copy. So you simply have to click this button and open the top scanner lid and place the ID with the facing downwards on the left hand side corner, upper corner, and then close it. Now go to the screen again and press the start button. Now it says turn over the ID and then press start again. So just open and turn it like this and click on the start button again. And now it's going to print it. So this is the paper output tray. So here we can see this page, and here we can see it has printed on the both side. Anyways, I have put one in the upside down, that's why it's showing like that. So this way we can do it. Thanks for watching.